As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Algorand cost will hit $3 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $4 by the center of 2025. Algorand will ascend to $5 inside the time of 2027 and $7 in 2031. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.1772, so the cost diminished by 21% from the start of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.33 and the year-to-year change plus 46%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 86%. In 2024, we hope to see $23 per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $40. In the last part, the cost would add $09 and close the year at $49, which is plus 176% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $49 to $62, which is up 27%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $49, then dip to $46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $49. That implies plus 176% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.62 to $88, which is plus 42%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.62, then, at that point, take off to $66 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $70. It is about plus 295% from today. 415204. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.1741, so the cost diminished by 23% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $19 and the year-to-year change 16%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 9%. In 2024, we hope to see $20 per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $25. In the last part, the cost would add $04 and close the year at $29, which is plus 67% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $29 to $53, which is up 83%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $29, then, at that point, take off to $31 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $34. That implies plus 95% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $53 to $71, which is plus 34%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $53 and finish 2031 at $53. It is about plus 204% from today. So 401204. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.6021, so the cost expanded by 16% from the start of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $42, and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 60%. In 2024, we hope to see $44 per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $55. In the last part, the cost would add $9 and close the year at $64, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.64 to $1.18, which is up 84%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.64, then take off to $0.68 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $74. That implies plus 182% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $1.18 to $1.53, which is plus 30%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.18, then, at that point, dip to $1.11 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.17. It is about plus 346% from today. So 3152s into 4. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.9012, so the cost expanded by 29% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.66, and the year-to-year change plus 193%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 127%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.55 per 1 Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $1.85. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.05 and close the year at $0.80, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.80 to $1.11, which is up 39%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $80. Then, at that point, take off to $2.85 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $92. That implies plus 216% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $1.11 to $1.55, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.11, then take off to $1.18 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $1.25. It is about plus 329% from today. It's 3s or 1-2s into 4. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.81, so the cost diminished by 3% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.42, and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 93%. In 2024, we hope to see $35 per 1 Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $54. In the final part, the cost would lose $03 and close the year at $51, which is plus 134% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $51 to $72, which is up 41%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $51. Then, at that point, take off to $54 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $59. That implies plus 171% from today. Algorand expectation 2030